welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to cut a neckline princess dart. A princess dart is a connection between the shoulder to the waistline, or from the armhole to the waistline. For this neckline princess dart is from the neck region down to the bust, down to the waist. So now let's get started. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button, like, share and comment, and God will bless you. I'm still your girl, Ella Ben. Let's go. Let's get started. I have drew all the basic bodice pattern I needed here, and by now you must have known how to draft your basic bodice. So now I'll start by taking my bodice circumference measurement. This is the chest line, this is the bust line, this is the waist line, and the sewing allowance. This is the neck, the shoulder slope, and the armhole. So now, but I came down here by 1.5 inch. Later I will tell you why I came down here by 1.5 inch, because it will be also be needed here. So let's get started. I'll take my bust measurement, which is 39. Divided by 4, it will be 9.75, which is here. So on the waist, my waist is 36. Divided by 4, which is 9. And I mark my 9. And I bring the 9 inch down to the sewing allowance. And also I will bring the bust measurement 9.75 up to the chest line. And I'm going to connect it. I'm going to connect it somehow here. So can you see what I'm doing? So next thing now is to take the neck dart. So down here on the bust line, you take your nipple to nipple measurement. Mine is 4.5. Take it here, and at the waistline you take it down there, 4.5, down to the half length. So now next thing is to, around this neck region now, you have to find the midpoint of the neck. This is 7, which means it's 3.5. That is the midpoint. So next thing we will do now is to connect this line to the bust line. Connect from the neck to the bust line. That's what we are going to do now. From the neck to the bust line. So hope you are getting what I'm doing. Then here you have to minus ½ inch here, ½ inch here, so that after sewing everything will lap very, very well. So I'll take ½ inch here, and I'll take ½ inch here. Then you have to connect it to this point. I'm going to use pen to do this one. I'm going to use pen to connect it. I'm going to use pen and connect it. While connecting it, you have to be careful. Okay, connect it, just be careful. Yeah, to this point. Then from this point here to this point. While connecting, please be careful. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Good. Then on the waistline, you have to minus. Okay, let me connect my nipple to nipple first so that you will see what I'm doing. Let me connect it first. Good. So from this point, on the waistline, we have to minus 1 inch both sides. 1 inch. 1 inch here and 1 inch here. Hope you are getting what I'm doing here. Then on the bust line, you have to come down by 1 inch. 1 inch. Come down by 1 inch. Then from this 1 inch, you come down, you connect it to the waist. Connect it to the waist. Down to the sewing allowance. Yeah. Let me use my ruler. Connect to the waist, down to the sewing allowance. Exactly. Now, you know we are dealing on princess darts. It's the neckline princess darts. Now, from here now, you have to connect it with a curve, with a nice curve. You don't have to leave it like that. Just connect with a nice curve, just like that. Connect it. With a nice curve. That's our princess dart. Now, I told you I will tell you why I come down by 1 inch this area. Now, this half inch here, we have to cut it off. Then you have to add this 1 inch back up here, which means our shoulder slope has to change now. Because if you did not take this 1 inch here back up here, the length of the neck will be shortened. So that is the reason why you have to take this 1 inch back up here. So let's do it. Okay. Now you have to connect it to the main. Can you see it? Now our shoulder slope now will change. You connect it from here to this place. Can you see that? So now everything has corresponded. Now, at this point now, we removed 1 inch here, 1 inch here, which you have to add it back. Because if you didn't add it back, after sewing, you will begin to experience some problem here. So you have to add this 1 inch here to the waist measurement, which we have to do now. So you have to add extra 2 inch here and 2 inch to this place. Now you connect it back. Okay, and also you have to add your 2 inch to the bust line and also another 2 inch. That's what you will do. Now you connect it. It's here already, so it's time to cut. Take a good look at it, but before you cut, you have to go over it once again to know whether you are correct. So it is time to cut. Okay. You have to cut very nicely here. Cut out this 1/2 inch over here. Yeah. Then while cutting, be very careful. Now, can you see it? Can you see the neckline princess that it came out very nice? Now, this area now, you will determine the shape you want it to be. Is it a sweetheart, or you can just cut this thing off? For me, I will leave it like this, or I will just trim this area off, but it's better you leave it like this. So can you see it? Can you see it? This is the princess neckline princess that. On our next tutorial, we will learn how to cut a neckline princess busty, and you will see the difference between a neckline princess that and a neckline princess busty. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if my video is helpful to you. Please like, share and comment, and also you can share with your friends. Okay, God bless you as you do so. See you on our next video. Bye.